What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to cancel your Roku subscription. So if you are subscribed to Roku and you want to cancel your subscription, all you have to do is to go to the Roku website, sign in with your account, and then go to the manage your subscription in your account page. And under the active subscriptions, you can select your subscription and then turn off the auto renew, and that'll cancel your subscription. So that means that your subscription won't be renewed at the end of your billing cycle. So you'll still be actively subscribed to Roku, but when the subscription ends or your billing cycle ends, it will not be auto renewed and you will not be charged with the renewal fees. And that's how you cancel your Roku subscription from the website.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.